Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Karkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Hashem, in the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Holy Tongue, and I say Shalom once again. And this is another sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of this recent news article from the Star.com, Toronto Star, as of November the 29th, 2023, on this Wednesday, published by Lotia C. Bardar from the Associated Press, and it reads, the U.S. Navy warship shoots down a drone launched from the Houthis from Yemen. Washington from the Associated Press, and it reads, a U.S. Navy warship sailing near the Bab el-Mandeb Strait shot down a drone launched from Yemen on Wednesday, the U.S. military says in the latest in screens of threats from the Iran-backed Houthi rebels. And it says a U.S. Navy warship sailed near the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, shot down a drone launched from Yemen on Wednesday, the U.S. military says in the latest in the screens of threats from the Iranian-backed Houthi rebels. The U.S. Command Center said the USS Carney, a Navy destroyer, downed the drone, a Iranian-made KS-04, which was launched from Houthis' control area of Yemen and was heading towards the warship. The ship was operating in the southern Red Sea and was moving towards the strait. At the time of the morning shutdown, the Carney was exhorting the USNS Supply, a military ship, Sea Lift Command Fast Combatant Supply ship, as well as another U.S. flagged and cruise ship carried military equipment to the region. There were no injuries to the U.S. personnel and no damages to the ship, the command said in a statement. Let's get to that. It's the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 9. But when ye shall hear of wars and commotions, be ye not terrified, for these things must first come to pass, but the end is not by and by. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 10. Then said he unto them, nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article, as we've been seeing the escalations between the Houthi rebels, which is an Iranian-backed group, targeting the United States soldiers and its army men, right along with the Israeli Defense Force as well too. Which this is a Houthi rebel, an Iranian-backed group. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem Karkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf. And until next time, I will say Shalom.